Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today is my video for the breast cancer awareness collaboration. I'll have everybody's channels linked down below. We've been doing one video a day so far for the month of February, and today's my day. So after you're done watching a few of my videos, check out the links down below and see what their contribution was. I'm just going to keep it really simple. I think I'm starting off with, this is Model 1's Leaf U 1017. I placed 2 coats on each nail, and then I did something different, so you'll see that I have my other 3 prepared already. They look a little bit different. That's because these ones glow, and how I did that was I'm applying the Azure Luminous Gel. This is a glow-in-the-dark gel polish, and it's #1 of the collection. There's several collections. Maybe I'll put a picture up of, there's a bunch of them. You can buy them individually. I'll put a picture up of the rest of them. I noticed this one, I'm not sure because it is sitting here a while or whatever. I need to stir it up, and I apply it pretty liberally because it is a sheer color. And I wanted them to really like pop. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. This was a collaboration brought by another lady in Facebook, and we decided to do one video a day just to help bring awareness to women's breast cancer. And I know everybody's talking about doing mammograms and what have you, and you know you're supposed to do your self-breast exam. Just bringing awareness to that, and maybe I'll provide some links below to cancer societies and such. I'm going to give this a 30-second cure in my lamp. While that's curing, I'm going to show you the color. I'm going to focus on what we should do for those that are suffering from breast cancer in my video. We need to give them hope. We need to give them love. And I'm thinking of spelling out hope on these nails. I'm not sure how I'm going to fit in the love part. But this is Model 1's, their Leaf U brand, 1477, that I just put a little bit on a palette here. Okay, that's cured. Remember, gels are sticky after you get them in the lamp. So I'm thinking to do H, do the breast cancer ribbon, P and E, just like that. So cross your fingers, everybody, that I can actually get this written. I wore it last year, but I never got a picture taken. I'm just a little nervous Nelly when it comes to this. I'm just taking my brush. This is what I do. I've been told to do. You put it in there, let it absorb some of the gel, and you kind of get the little bit off the tip. But remember, gel is really forgiving. Thank goodness for that, because I will make a mess. I'm used to really doing these up close to my face, so hopefully, my own nails, I'm like this. It's right in my face. So I may get quiet for a good portion of this video. You know, this don't even look like an H, right? I'm trying to sneak in that ribbon a few times. I can't remember quite how I did it. There we go. Now that looks like an H, right? Since I want to get a picture of it glowing, and I want to block out the glow for the glow, I'm like thinking along the lines of there's still light, because light is like hope. And I want to put something on here to signify love other than the pink. So that's my H. O is the most important for me because that's the real breast cancer ribbon, real cause ribbon, and I'm just trying to make it as predominant as possible. I have my whole moving things out my way, have my whole hand on the table because I get the shakes. And remember, with gel, if you just like the first part you can cure it. Take all your time. It's just when you're doing a video, it's really hard to do that. I may have to do that though. But remember, everybody, do your self-rex exams every month, please. Or make it more fun, have your partner do them. They're more likely to notice something wrong anyways. I'm gonna give this a cure just to get, so I don't lose it. Just loaded up my brush some more. I just really want this symbol to really stand out some more. Like I was saying, make sure that if you know someone who's suffering from breast cancer, that you ask them what can you do to help them, you know, get through it. People live through it. People die from it. All sorts of things happen. But we want to help people to live through it and come out with grace and dignity at the other end. So just it's always best just to ask the person, what can I do for you? If it's making them a meal, ordering them some takeout, watching their kids. I mean, there's so much you can do without even having to get into the medical part of it. Maybe they need a trip to an appointment, offer a ride. That's why I really would like to focus on how you can help people. You can help them with any disease or issue they're having in the same way. Just be good to each other and be kind and think what you would want. But not everybody's going to want the same thing. Some people might want to be really, really private about it. If they say they want to be private about it, please just respect that. They may come around later when it's all over and want to talk about it. Be there for them. Lend an ear. Okay, that's my O. And I'm going to do an E as well. Okay, I have my funny spelling of hope. Hopefully that'll come off to everybody else. My P I'm just not happy with, but I'm not a perfectionist. Twinkling red. I don't know too many women that don't like glitter. I know some that don't like it on their nails real brightly. But I know everyone loves just a little sparkle. So we can like say this is a little bit of the sparkle and the hope that we're bringing to people. And I believe that this should just show up. If not, I'm gonna have to retrace my hope over top. I'm thinking it'll show. This just adds a little bit of gorgeous goodness to cream gel polish. You can get these at shemodern.com. These gorgeous little microfine glitters. I mean, you can't feel these glitters. This one's like a glitter, kind of a pigment almost. I mean, it's just uncanny how microscopic this is. So I still need to do something more. So I'm gonna get out a little bit of the SheModern. It's from shemodern.com. I'll have the links always down below. I get a little bit of the grip gel, and I'm going to use a little bit to attach my stuff with. This is kind of like, it'll look kind of like it'll look when it's top coated. I decided I'm going to add a little bit of love to this hope. This gel's like, it's sticky yet it's slippery. It's not like a glue. SheModern has a glue gel that is actually an adhesive. This is more slippery, so I'm thinking to try that to add a little love to my nails. And it also will help be like another layer of top coat on here to help smooth out my hope spelling. I'm gonna grab with just another little brush. This is from Beauty Big Bang. I do have the code listed down below for them. I need a few more uses before I can get a giveaway on my channel. I hope one day I'll be able to do that. Someone used it like the first day I had the code. I think it was used like 2 or 3 times that day, and I haven't had it used since. I'm going to use a variety of hearts just for the different kinds of love that we have for people. Pink, of course, because it is mostly a woman issue. And pink love is, you know, magenta, kind of matches. And I'm going to put a couple blue hearts in here because breast cancer does affect men as well as women. Anyone with breast tissue can get breast cancer. Just keep that in mind, everyone out there. It's not only a female-only problem. So I'm going to add a couple of these blue hearts to help signify that gentlemen do get the disease as well. And maybe a couple of purple hearts, because we can be awfully sad when we have health problems going on or our loved ones do. So it's like love mixed, the pink mixed with the blue. That's what I feel about purple sometimes, even though it's like my favorite color. I'm just laying them into this uncured gel, manipulating them around. I have no idea how this is going to look at the end. And this tool does have where I can turn it over a little faster. I'm hoping to get the glowing, I had 2 of them on here, to show through. So you have to stay tuned at the end of the video for pictures to see if these glow, what color this glows. I'd really appreciate it if you stay tuned. I'm putting them on there like haphazardly just to signify, you know, how mixed emotions that we get going through this. I'm going to give these all a base coat over the little sequins. It just helps them to adhere to the top coat better. And I'll give them all a top coat, a cure, put them on and take a picture in light and in dark, see how they glow. I thank everyone for being here with me today. Please check out the others that are doing videos as well. There's quite a few people, even a real newbie to YouTube. And I'd like to welcome everybody to take a chance to look at their videos. You can save this video and come back to it later. Some of the people haven't posted their videos yet. But do remember, please, take care of yourself, everyone. We often neglect to take care of ourselves because we're caring for others. But take care of yourself so you can take care of others. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you be you, and I'll be me. Bye-bye.